Surveys. Flex Text lets you create your own surveys or polls. You can even pull a report of the survey results after it has been initiated. To create a survey, click on the arrow underneath the username and select Surveys. Before creating a survey, you will need to create questions. Click Manage Questions and then click Add Question to get started. Use a label to reference your question later. Flex Text has 3 types of questions: rate, choose one, or free form. Rating questions ask the participant to rate the question in a specific numerical range. Flex Text lets you specify the range you would like to use. For range and choose one questions, you may turn on Bypass on Fault. This will automatically skip the question if the participant does not answer in the specified range. If bypass is not on, the system will prompt them to answer in the desired range using the text you provide in the box as shown. Choose one questions or multiple choice questions allow you to provide multiple answers to your questions. Simply enter the selection response you would like the participant to respond with, such as the letter A or number 1. Then provide the answer to the corresponding selection response. Free-form questions allow the participant to input their own answers without any set parameters. Click on Add Survey. Name your survey for reference and to pull reports later. Enter a greeting for when a participant initiates the survey. This is the first text that they will receive. It is helpful to use the greeting to let the participant know what the survey is for and how many questions they will answer. You may also enter a farewell or thank you message in the conclusion text box. Termination terms are additional words you may add for the user to end the survey, such as the word complete. You may set a parameter for how long a survey stays open, what to do when the survey has been completed, and what type of reporting you would like the survey to fall under. Finally, select the questions you would like to add in the order you would like to see them sent. You may move your questions around after they have been added. Click on Save to save your survey. Surveys may be initiated via an active chat in the Options menu. Or you may create a keyword to activate a survey when a participant texts that keyword. To pull a report of your survey, click on Reports and then Survey. Click Export to export your results to a spreadsheet.